Karma Guy here. Introducing the 2007 Mercedes-Benz E-Class E320 BLUETEC sedan, a clean Carfax vehicle with low miles for its age and 33 dealer service records. This luxury sedan recently received over $1,035 in service, including rear brake pads and rotors, exterior lights, cabin and air filters, a fresh oil change, and a pre-delivery inspection. It's dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile quality plus warranty. Looking for long-term peace of mind? Ask about our discounted 5-year maintenance plan and the option to upgrade to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. Transparency is key. Request a recent computer scan to see its clean bill of health. All 5 monitors completed, no trouble codes, no dash lights, and current GA state emissions. This car is truly ready to roll. Keep in mind, price reductions void CPO status and warranty benefits, but discounted upgrades are available. Don't compromise quality for cost, because as they say, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of low price is forgotten. Drive luxury. Test drive the 2007 Mercedes-Benz E320 BLUETEC sedan today.